Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE. Both gimbals offer unique features aimed at enhancing your video recording experience, but they cater to different types of users. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 kit is priced at $229, making it a premium option for serious content creators. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE is significantly more affordable at just $69, making it an attractive choice for casual users and travelers. The price difference reflects the advanced features and capabilities of the M6, but the X3 SE offers great value for its price. The Hohem iSteady M6 kit boasts advanced features such as AI tracking, a magnetic fill light, and an impressive 18-hour battery life, making it ideal for professional videography. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE, while offering solid stabilization and a detachable remote, lacks some of the advanced functionalities found in the M6. However, it is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for travel. User reviews for the Hohem iSteady M6 highlight its excellent stabilization and long battery life, with many praising its AI tracking capabilities. However, some users noted its bulkiness. In comparison, the Hohem iSteady X3 SE has received positive feedback for its affordability and ease of use, although some users mentioned it lacks the advanced features of higher-end models. Overall, both gimbals have their strengths and cater to different audiences. In conclusion, the choice between the Hohem iSteady M6 kit and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for top-tier performance and features, the M6 is the way to go. However, if you're a casual user or a traveler, the X3 SE offers great value without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.